Hello everyone, welcome back to Galaxy Station. My Galaxy S23 Ultra just received the September 2025 security update and it's just 458 megabyte. Let me start the download and do the talking now. It comes with the build version this. But the exciting part is this might be the final security update before the big Android 16 and One UI 8.0 rollout. Let's talk about what's new in this September update. This is a security patch, so don't expect any major visual changes or new features yet. It mainly improves your phone's system stability, enhances performance, and ensures your phone stays secure against new threats. Even it looks small, these updates are super important to keep your device running smoothly. Before updating, always follow a few safety tips. Make sure your phone has at least 50% charge. Update your phone in a cool environment to avoid overheating. And always back up your important data just in case something goes wrong. And don't use your phone or press any button during the installation. Let it finish smoothly and automatically. Okay, but yes, everyone, including me, are waiting for the One UI 8.0 based on Android 16, right? The next version will bring some AI powered intelligence, smoother animations, better multitasking, and probably smarter battery and privacy controls. Samsung is already testing the update internally and rolling it many countries. I have yet to receive it, so we can expect it to hit S23 series anytime right after this September patch, maybe just after completion of this update. So this update feels like the final preparation before the big upgrade. Many users often skip security updates, but you really shouldn't. They patch hidden vulnerabilities, improve device performance, and prepare your phone for next major update. So yes, it's obviously worth installing. So that's all about the September update for S23 and the exciting One UI 8.0 that's right around the corner. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to Galaxy Station, and stay tuned. I will cover Android 16 update the moment it's available.